Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin curry. This is the Sri Lankan Tamil way of doing it, and it's actually a very easy recipe, and only requires a few ingredients. So we're going to need to first peel off the skin. I bought this in the Tamil store, so let's take some time to peel off the skin carefully. We're gonna cube these. They cook really fast, so just rough chop these up. I'm not cooking all of it because I don't think we need it. I saved about half. There's so many ways of cooking this type of a pumpkin, but today's recipe is one of my favorites. We've cubed the pumpkin. Let's wash this and let's get it ready to set on the stove. So to this pot, we're gonna add some, I've already pre-chopped up some onion, white onion, so we're gonna add a little bit of that. Some of the red onion got caught in there too. Just maybe, I don't know, how do I say this? Maybe it's one small white onion. And a couple of sliced Thai green chilies. And don't forget the curry leaves. I've added a little bit of water in here. It doesn't need a lot of water. The pumpkin will cook quite quickly. So in this, we're gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of turmeric. So we have a little bit of turmeric, just like maybe less than half a teaspoon. Also gonna add maybe half a teaspoon of salt. You can add more later. And that's it. You're gonna close the lid and let this cook. So just put your stove to about medium heat and close the lid. And this should cook in about 15-20 minutes. Keep an eye on the lid so it doesn't foam over. So I've strained a little bit of the water out, and I'm going to add the coconut milk. Maybe about 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. You're going to want to taste it for salt now as well. This is the organic coconut milk from Costco. You don't want to like break all the pumpkins. Like some of the pieces will break, and that's okay. Just let that cook, and all that will just melt away. Let's see. While that was cooking, what I did was I ground some black pepper, maybe a half a teaspoon, and like 1 big clove of garlic, and we're just gonna add that last. Let this like coconut milk cook down. And we're gonna add our coarsely ground black pepper and one clove of garlic. Turn the heat down now. And let's just mix that up. And that smells so good. Like this is such a nice dish. Just mix it up. That is perfect. Step, of course, you know it. We're going to add some fresh curry leaves. Let's mix that up. And that is it. That is how that looks. Like that is just so yummy. You can have this with rice. I think that's the best combination, and it's a nice side to your other curries.